Hey, can you make Daddy a snowball?
You make a snowball for Daddy? You scoop up the snow?
Or you just want to go sledding all by yourself?
And sit.
Whoa, are you going to stand up and sled?
Daredevil.
This is our third snowstorm of the... Third or fourth?
What?
How many snowstorms is this?
Fourth.
It's our fourth. They're calling for 30 inches of snow.
Ready? Ready? Can you hold on? Hold on to the sled. Ready? Hold on. 1, 2, up. Turn you around again. Ready? Oh, we didn't go up high enough.
Hazel's still having fun.
And go up more?
And we'll try it again. This time with Mama.
Ready? Mama gotta get her. Whoa! Oh no!
Hazel, was that fun?
Got up? Good job!
What do you think, Hazel?
Hey! Can we see how... Can we see your pacifier? You smile? For Dada? Oh yay!
Can you say burr? It's cold.
Brrr!
Look at all my
You throw
snow.
your snowball? Throw it! Throw it like this. Nice
job.
Oh! Make a snowball! Good job!
Whoa! Are you catching snowflakes on your tongue?
Yes, you are. You're good at that. Fuzzy snow. Oh, it's everywhere.